Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Nathan, one of the owners of GDS Detailing. Today, we're gonna be trying out this rinseless wash that DIY Detail actually sent out for us to try out. Pretty much in today's video, we're gonna be talking about mainly the benefits of using a rinseless wash and how having it in your arsenal could actually help out your business. What I have behind me is a dirty truck that we're gonna test this on. It has water spots, dirt, bird poop, bugs. So pretty much what a normal car would have that's pretty dirty. All right, so let's see how this works out. All right, so the instruction says to add 1 ounce to 2 gallons of water. What I have here is already 2 gallons of water in our 3-gallon bucket. Let's go ahead and add the rinseless wash. Every capful is 1/2 ounce, so I'm gonna add 2 capfuls to this 2 gallons of water. So there's 1, and there's 2. And then I'm gonna get my brand new microfiber towels. So I'm gonna add these brand new microfiber towels and have them soak in the solution. And just getting it all in there. And while that's soaking, while I'm waiting for the microfibers to soak, this next part, I've seen a lot of other people do different things, but what Ivan from DIY recommends to do is to pre-spray and pre-soak the panels with the rinseless solution in a bottle. You can use a pump sprayer, or I just have a regular spray bottle. But he says to go ahead and spray all the panels to help emulsify and encapsulate all the dirt on the paint. That way, when I come in to actually rinse the car, because although it is a rinseless wash, rinseless wash just means at the very end I'm not gonna rinse it, but I can rinse it, during the process of all this. But I'm gonna go ahead and spray and soak all these panels to encapsulate all that dirt, and it'll help the cleaning process overall. So I can see here, all I did was spray this product and pretty much all that bird poop already disappeared. There's only just like this little part left. So far, it's a pretty good product from what I can see. So I just finished rinsing down that pre-spray, and for the most part, it kind of took care of a lot of that dirt just from, pre-soaking it and rinsing it off. I'm gonna go ahead and actually already come in with my contact wash. So I'm gonna grab a brand new clean microfiber towel. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse some of this solution out. It doesn't need to be super soaked, but all I'm gonna do is come in and just do one or two wipes on the panel, flip it over to a clean side, and work my way down. A lot of this dirt is pretty easy to clean up. And I'm gonna just do straight lines every time I come in with the microfiber. That way I'm gonna prevent any scratching. So I just did this panel right here, and it was pretty dirty. That rinseless wash did pick up all that dirt. All right, so now that I'm kind of done with this panel, before I move on to the next panel, I'm gonna actually just dry up that rinseless wash solution. That way I can prevent any major water spotting. I am still gonna come in at the very end with a quick detailer, because the rinseless wash is gonna smear, and usually with a quick detailer, cleans it right up, and the paint does look nice afterwards. So we already ahead and clean up all these panels right here. For the most part, the rinseless wash worked out pretty good. Was able to pretty much clean up all that dirt, that bird poop over here. But as you can see, there's a lot of water spots, and like I mentioned before, the product does smear, as especially because the sun's out and then you don't have time to dry it quick enough. But I know it's usually recommended to come in afterwards with a quick detailer. So today I do have the DIY Detail ceramic gloss, so I'm gonna try it out. It'll be my first time using it, so I'm pretty excited to try it out. Just gonna spray a little bit on my microfiber here, and kind of just look at all the imperfections, like these water spots here. Just gonna clean all that up. And from just wiping it on, the paint feels like super smooth now. Kind of happy about this. From what the instructions say here, you can use this as a quick detailer, just spray the product on the paint or spray it on your microfiber. It can also be used as a drying aid. After the vehicle's been rinsed and the paint's still wet, you can actually spray this on and then dry the vehicle to help the drying process. So you might start, try this out a little bit more, using it in our regular foam wash process. But for the most part, I really like it. The paint's looking really nice. I'm gonna get these pillars here. All right, so I just did this whole door right here, and just from, it might be a little bit hard to see on the video, but just from looking at it in person, this door looks a whole lot nicer than this door here. There's still a little bit of smears because I haven't done this whole thing. I just did that one little section, but it could still see the smears, and the rinseless wash, didn't come off completely when we dried it, just because, like I said, the sun's out, the solution dries up, and we don't have time to rinse the whole thing. But so far, really like this product. We're gonna need to order some more because the paint feels super nice. I can use it as a drying aid. Smells really good. But yeah, so far guys, I like this product. Just by the feeling of the paint, it's like feels super smooth. And like compared to this one, like you can even hear that my finger, my gloves making noise, but over here it's like, it doesn't make any noise. It's like super smooth. So far, it's a pretty good product. Feels good, looks good, smells good. Everything you want in a quick detailer.
All right guys, so we just finished with this entire panel right here. It turned out really good. Now the entire panel is smooth. As you saw from the earlier clips, you could hear it, how it wasn't as smooth. Now everything is smooth. They sent this out to us a few months ago. I wish we would have tried it sooner, just because this is very, very nice. This thing has a lot of different uses. You could use it just to take care of the windows. You could use it as a quick detailer. You could use it for your wheels. You could also use it as a clay lube. So I definitely recommend you guys getting this and just having it. We're thinking about getting one of these extra bottles and just keeping it at the dealerships that we service. That way, if we ever need something like this, like for example, if you run out of like window cleaner, we'll just have this little bottle and we could just make a quick batch real quick. That way we won't have to take all the chemicals out there to that shop. So definitely really nice. We've used it a few times already. Recently, I think a week ago, we had a situation where we were running out of water and we had a very limited water, and we really couldn't go back to Nathan's house and fill up on water. So what we did is we used the rinseless wash, and we conserve as much water as possible, and we used the rinseless wash, and it came out really good. We still came back with a quick detailer, and the truck came out really nice. So definitely recommend you guys to have it in your business. There's a lot of different situations where you could use it, especially now that the winter's coming up pretty soon. That way, even though it might be cold outside, you can still take care of your vehicles that you have to work on. And right now that it's summer, that it's still hot, you can still use it. You can do like just one panel at a time. That way it won't dry up on you as fast, and you can still take care of a customer's vehicles. So definitely recommend you guys to have it, just because it has a lot of different uses, and it's just nice to have. We're definitely gonna be ordering some more. If you guys are thinking about getting this product right here from DIY, definitely recommend you go to their website. And we do have a promo code you guys could use, GDS. So just type in GDS and you'll save 10% off. Also have a link down below where you could save 10% off as well. So definitely pick some up. It's really nice. We like it. I mean, I use it on my personal truck right here, and I'm happy with the results.
But yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate all the support that y'all always give us. Make sure you subscribe and like the video, and make sure you share this video with everyone you know.